Hello, my name is Catherine Catalano, and this is my presentation on strategic planning for a virtual team. Current situation: by using a virtual setting for team meetings, Learn eNow is reaching out to new markets abroad. To manage product development, distribution, marketing, sales, and service in these areas, the company intends to hire and involve virtual team members from 3 distinct African nations. The virtual team's main objectives are to effectively create and modify goods for the African market, make sure the logistics and distribution networks are effective, develop and implement successful marketing plans, increase sales and provide excellent customer service, a strong market presence in Africa that satisfies local consumers' demands and significantly boosts Learn eNow's revenue is the intended result. The following guidelines for participation will be set in order to guarantee productive and civil cooperation: knowledge of culture, inclusion and diversity, interaction, and meeting protocols. Members of the team will get instructions on customs and business procedures unique to each participating nation. Each participating country's cultural norms and business practices will be covered in training for team members. The significance of honoring diverse cultural viewpoints and customs will be emphasized throughout this program. Diversity and inclusion and communication. Encourage a welcoming atmosphere where each team member is respected and given a voice. Promote a range of opinions and guarantees fair participation in meetings and decision-making procedures. Diverse teams are better able to comprehend and adjust to changing cultural norms. Communication: create routes of communication that are unambiguous and reliable. Make sure everyone has access to the information they need by using collaborative tools for simultaneous and real-time communication. Establish guidelines for virtual meetings that cover time management, agenda sharing, taking turns, and polite conversation. Begin and conclude meetings on time to accommodate everybody's schedules. Set up specified time slots for each agenda item to guarantee all issues are handled effectively. Distribute a thorough agenda before the meeting to help attendees prepare and guarantee the discussion remains focused and useful. Use tools such as raise your hand or chat function to signal your wish to speak. This ensures that everyone gets the opportunity to contribute without interruption. Promote the use of video to strengthen interpersonal relationships. African communication cultures frequently favor pauses and careful responses, so be patient and attentive throughout conversations. Any team environment will inevitably experience conflicts, but a virtual and culturally diverse one is particularly likely to cause them. The following procedure will assist in handling and resolving disputes: early identification, open communication, constructive feedback, and resolution techniques. Motivate team members to raise issues as soon as possible. If needed, set up a procedure for reporting problems anonymously. Encourage sincere and open dialogue to identify the underlying causes of disputes. If necessary, use middlemen to maintain objectivity. Team members should be trained to give and receive constructive criticism. Pay more attention to actions and results than to personal characteristics. Resolution techniques. Create and agree upon dispute resolution techniques such as cooperative problem solving or compromise to guarantee lasting peace. Record agreements and follow up. The purpose of kickoff meeting is to introduce team members, summarize objectives and goals, define communication protocols, establish trust, and establish expectations. Introduce team members to establish rapport and lead icebreakers and individual introductions. Clearly state the objectives, roles, and duties of the team. Define communication protocols. Specify standards for cooperation, communication, and meeting procedures. Promote teamwork by holding team building exercises and having conversations about common values and objectives. Talk about deadlines, milestones, and performance objectives. Microsoft Teams is a chosen program The justification for the selection is extensive capabilities, Office 365 integration, user-friendly interface, security, and scalability. Microsoft Teams provides a wide range of capabilities that are crucial for managing remote teams, such as file sharing, video conferencing, chat, and collaboration tools. Access to shared documents, calendars, and emails, as well as efficient workflow are guaranteed by seamless connectivity with other Microsoft Office 365 apps. Regardless of technical skill levels, Teams offers an easy-to-use interface that team members can rapidly become accustomed to. Microsoft Teams has a robust security protections that guarantee the protection of private enterprise data. And team members from different nations can be accommodated by the platform with ease, guaranteeing dependability and effective communication. Conclusion: clear objectives, cultural sensitivity, and effective communication protocols are necessary for managing virtual teams for Learn eNow. It's global expansion. Diverse team members can work together effectively if expectations are set, collaboration tools are used, and inclusivity is promoted. Productivity depends on having clear meeting etiquette, which includes time management, agenda sharing, taking turns, and polite conversation. Team cohesion is maintained with a strong dispute resolution procedure for frequent follow-ups. Choosing dependable meeting software such as Microsoft Teams guarantees the safe and easy outline cooperation. Learn eNow may effectively manage its virtual teams and accomplish its objectives in the African market by adhering to these principles.